Hello educators, welcome back to this new video. In this video, I'm going to answer a commonly asked question on a support portal. It's about adding IELTS tests on the WordPress website. When you install ProQyz plugin on your WordPress website, it does not add IELTS tests automatically. There are 120 tests in ProQuiz library which you can publish on your site by creating courses. So in this video, I'm going to discuss 3 methods which you can follow to easily publish IELTS tests on your WordPress website. Now, these methods are very simple and easy to follow. And third method is for trainers who want customized page. So watch this video till the end. Now, the first method is simple and easy to use. Using this method, you can display all the courses on one page. And if you create a new course, automatically it will be published on this page. So let's see how to do it on your website. All right. Firstly, make sure you are logged into your WordPress website as an admin. After that, you will see admin bar at the top. Hover over new and click on new page. We are going to add a new page where we want to display the IELTS test. Here you can give it a title, maybe courses or IELTS test. And below that, it says add the block. Here we will add the shortcode which you can copy from ProQuiz documentation. It is ProQuiz course grid. Paste the shortcode as it is on the page, and the right side, click on publish button. Click on view page. That's it. So all the courses which you have created on ProQuiz dashboard has automatically added on the website, and all these courses has the test inside. Now, if you have not published any course, make sure you publish a course first. For that, you can go to ProQuiz My Courses, and here you can give your course a title and select the test that you want to add in that course. I have added a detailed video tutorial in the description, so make sure you watch that video first and then follow this tutorial. Now, what if you want to add the exam library menu or mock test menu on the website? Now, in the exam library, you can have module-wise tests. When user clicks on reading, it takes user to the reading test only. Similarly, there are other menu items. Now, how you can do it? Now, creating menu like this is also easy and straightforward. For that, you need to edit the menu and use the custom links. So go to the menu, hover over the name of the site and click on menus. It will take you to the website menu. You can select the primary menu. In my case, this is my primary menu. On the left side, you will find the custom link option here. So firstly, we want to create exam library label. So enter exam library here. Now, when you click exam library, it doesn't do anything. It's just the empty link. So here, instead of adding any link, simply enter hash and click on add to menu. You can also set the order of this item. Now the second step is to add module-wise test. We don't have these pages, so for this we are going to use an easy hack. You can copy the link of any of the course. For example, if you want to add reading test, right click on the card and click on copy link address, or you can click on the course and copy the above URL. Now again, go to the menus. Here, enter the link text. It is reading tests, and paste the URL that we have copied and click on add menu. Now drag the order and make it the sub menu of the exam library. This way, add other menu items like listening, writing, and the speaking, and click on save menu. Now if you go to the site, refresh it. Here we have exam library with one item, reading test. When you click there, it takes you to the reading page. So you can add as many items in the menu as you want. Simply copy the link from the course card and add it in the custom links of the menu. So that was the second method. Now what if you already have a landing page design which you use on social media or to promote your social media ads? Is it possible to insert tests anywhere on the page? Well, yeah, it's also easy to do. You can edit this page and insert the mock test anywhere you want, either in a blog or on a landing page. In my case, I'm using Elementor for my web design. So click on Edit with Elementor and it will open the editor on the side. Now I want to insert mock tests below these courses. So I'm going to create a new block and you can paste a title here. Let's say mock test. And below that, I want to add the mock test. There you will find the option shortcode in the Elementor elements area. Place the shortcode area here. And from the ProQyz course builder, copy the course which you want to publish. So I want to add full mock test, and you will see each course has three dots and has other options. So copy the shortcode of this particular course, go back and paste it in the shortcode area. You see the mock test has been added in the page. If you click on preview changes before publishing, here we have our page and below that we have courses and mock test. So using this shortcode method, you can copy the shortcode of any course and paste it either in a blog or any page you like. If you just want to add one test instead of the course, you can also copy quiz shortcode. So for that, go to My Quizzes and here you can copy the shortcode, paste the shortcode in a shortcode widget. Now it will show Take Test button. Now when user clicks this button, it will take user to the individual test page. So you can use either all courses shortcode or individual course shortcode or individual test shortcode to insert tests on your website. I hope you find this video easy to follow. Let me know which method you like the most and how you are using the shortcodes on your WordPress website. If you have any questions, send us a support ticket or do let me know in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.